Good morning, dear students. We are welcome to our English lesson. Today, we are going to talk about hobbies and we'll be able to use new vocabulary. Tell about preferences and answer the questions. Vocabulary. Listen and repeat. Skydiving. Skydiving. Paintballing, paintballing, play online games, play online games, collect stamps, collect stamps. Now let's watch the video about hobbies. Exercise number 1. Complete the phrases with verbs from the list. Verbs: make, collect, go, play, take. What's jewelry, model cars, photos, party in school plays, skydiving, paintballing, online games, the guitar, piano, comic books, stamps. Let's check. Make jewelry, make model cars, take photos, take part in school plays, go skydiving, go paintballing, play online games, play the guitar, play the piano, collect comic books, collect stamps. Then exercise number 2. Which of the hobbies are related to sports, the arts, technology, art and crafts, music? Express your preferences. Exercise 3. Which of the activities below do you enjoy doing in your free time? Now you can see the phrases which express good feeling. I really like, I enjoy, I am fond of, I am keen on, I find fun, exciting, thrilling. Then homework. Exercise number 4. Ask and answer questions about the hobbies. The lesson is over. Goodbye, students.